Lita, and I got really sick the day that my mom moved out of the apartment on Tuesday. Oh my god, this is like gonna be a video of me coughing only. On Tuesday, my mom moved out to her new house and took all 6 of my cats. I knew that was gonna be happening, but when it happened, it hit me like really hard. Got really sick. But still, then Sammy and I went on a mini road trip to San Luis Obispo and visited the Bubblegum Alley, which was disgusting. I'm moving again, this time to LA. So yeah, I went to LA and we were gonna go and I decided to pair it with this necklace choker. So, this is the skirt that's are from Syndrome Shop as well, surprise surprise, on Etsy. But you could probably easily find something. So for today, my contact lenses are specifically are Dolly Eye Pink, I think. So sorry, seriously, it was bad. Really bad. So yeah, okay, anyway.